Front-load assembly appears. Hyundai Palisade Hybrid. Watch the grille and headlights materialize. Active air flaps behind the grille open and close for cooling efficiency. Two-tier LED headlights now exposed. Blueprint overlay shows internal reflector geometry. Pearl white body shell appears. Orange pulse highlights aerodynamic hood creases. Body turns transparent. Hybrid battery pack slides under the front floor. Orange brackets label front crush zone, battery, and motor bay. Hood opens. 1.6-liter turbo hybrid engine drops into front subframe. Electric motor appears next to engine. Orange high-voltage cable connects them. Hyundai Palisade Hybrid powertrain. Engine and motor pulse in unison. Front bumper lifts off. Steel beam with crumple zones revealed underneath. Cutaway shows steel outer, foam absorber, and aluminum backing plate. Red obstacle impacts bumper. Foam compresses, steel flexes, remains intact. Technical specs: length, crush zone, and tensile strength visualized. Hood lifts off. Inner aluminum skeleton with orange heat shielding. Cutaway shows outer aluminum, adhesive layer, and inner panel. Pedestrian impact triggers actuators. Hood rises 50 millimeters instantly. Active hood specs: lift height, deployment time, aluminum thickness. Grille floats forward. Active air flaps open to reveal radiator. Cutaway of flap motor. Tiny actuator and linkage rotate 90 degrees. Temperature rises from 20 to 80. Flaps open fully, fan speeds up. Airflow rate shown as blue streams. Flaps respond in half a second. Headlight splits into upper daytime light and lower projector beam. Cross-section shows LED chip, collimator lens, PCB, and heatsink. Low beam, wide cone. High beam, longer range. Car illuminated at 50 meters. Luminous flux, beam pattern width, and color temperature visualized. Hybrid battery rises up. Orange cable connects to motor. Blue cooling pipes. Cutaway, 270-volt lithium cells inside aluminum housing with bus bars. Charging from 0 to full. Then discharging to motor. Energy flow. Capacity 1.5 kilowatt hours. Power density 2,000 watts per kilogram. 6-speed automatic transmission appears behind engine. Hybrid version. Cutaway shows planetary gears, wet clutches, and electric oil pump. Shifting from 1st to 6th gear. Engine revs rise and fall. Gear ratios, shift time 0.4 seconds, efficiency 95%. Hybrid control unit above engine. Blue data pulses along wires. Cutaway of control unit. Circuit board, processor chip, and drivers. EV mode, hybrid mode, regeneration mode. Energy flows change automatically. Processing speed, current accuracy, and operating temperature range. Complete powertrain glowing. Wheels and brake rotors now visible. Acceleration. Engine and motor glow orange. Transmission shifts rapidly. Disassembly begins. Parts vanish in reverse order. Full cycle complete. Real-world simulation. Palisade drives on virtual road. Traffic light changes. Key advantages: fuel efficiency, low emissions, battery reliability. Hyundai Palisade Hybrid. Precision engineering. Performance and efficiency combined.